In this video I'll show you how to drop the spare wheel, as it is a bit different from most cars. Your Navara should have come with this toolkit. In it are 3 pieces. I have 4, I don't know why. The bendy one is the wheel nut breaker bar. Then there is this part with the T-shaped end and an extension bar. The spare wheel is located underneath the rear of the car. Looking through this oval opening underneath the rear tailgate, you can see the round bit of the wheel hoist. Your T-piece fits snug into this part. Fit the extension bar to the T-piece. Use the wheel nut breaker bar to turn the T-piece anti-clockwise to lower the spare wheel. Keep turning until you've reached the end and it will turn no more. Smack this part gently until it drops out. And guide it out of the center hole of the wheel. Job done.